Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out HBAR's price chart, and now I'm able to find some very much optimistic signs, but I'm going to tell you why you need to wait just a little bit and actually see a very important bullish confirmation suggesting in HBAR overall we are looking bullish. So are you ready? Let's dive in. And if you remember, the last time that we talked about Hedera, we were right in here, and the idea was that it is still a little bit early to be completely optimistic, and we said if you want to be bullish on any chart, you need to wait and see a 1 2 3 4 5 wave off of the lowest low, and that's actually the main reason for why we came up with this count. And we said, look, if we're gonna go according to this count, then okay, great sign. At that point we can be optimistic, and what do you know, it seems like that we are going according to that scenario. So what is going on in here? You see, here's the situation. You can actually come up with many different bullish counts in here and many forms of 5 waves on the upside, but here is a top tip for you. Most of them do actually end up suggesting this move in Hedera is going to continue at least for another couple of days. Why is that? Well, okay, here is one likely scenario. You can say that probably from this point, this is 1, this is 2, good move up into wave 3, correction for 4, and now we are having another move up into wave 5, which on a higher degree, guess what, is only going to be into this wave 3, correction for 4, another move up into wave 5, and even that one is going to be into, you know it, larger degree wave 3, correction for 4, another move on the upside into wave 5. So this one scenario suggests our move up is going to continue. Can we have some other cases? Yes. In another scenario, you can even say maybe this is going to be a 1 2 3 4 5 wave, and it can be into this wave 3, correction for 4 to about this point, and another move on the upside into wave 5. And guess what, even that suggests this point right in here, or like just a bit higher, doesn't matter, is only and only the end of our wave 3. And what's next? Conclusion is the same, correction for 4, and one more continuation phase of the uptrend into our wave 5. So in the short term, seems like this is going to continue, but I do not necessarily care about a continuation of this move. Okay, it's very important to understand that. What I really do care about is this: are we going to take this important high about, let's say, 26 cents or not? If we take it, it will be an extremely bullish sign, and a great bullish confirmation for that matter. Why? You see, in terms of classic trends, I think we also talked about this in the previous update. We're going to have a series of lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend, and the moment that we get a move up, a very strong move, and by that, in terms of Elliott waves, naturally I mean impulsive structure, in order to take the previous major pivot high, we can say with a decent bit of confidence, you know what, maybe the trend has changed, and that previous major pivot high in HBAR in this phase down right in here, in my view, is going to be this one around the 26 cents area. And that, my friends, is why I'm saying, look, let's be a bit patient. So far, sure, we are going on the bullish strike, but you know, let's wait a bit more and see, are we going to take this high or not? And at that point, we can be optimistic and talk about having an impulse off of the lowest low with just a bit more confidence. However, even at that point, right around the highs, you are not going to see me talking about a long opportunity. No, I'm gonna wait and see a move down, because even according to the most bullish case, you are going to have a move down nonetheless. And then fair enough, in here, if I see the right structures, I can call this thing a beautiful long opportunity. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Hedera. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.